What are the 5 biggest myths about smart locks? Let's find out.
5 myths about smart locks.
Smart locks simplify daily life. No more searching for keys, and you gain flexible, convenient access whenever you need it. You might be new to smart locks and you might have a few questions. We've got you covered. In this video, we answer the most common questions that people have when they first encounter a smart lock.
Myth number 1. A smart lock can be stolen easily.
A Nuki smart lock mounts on the inside of your door, invisible from the outside. This keeps you from drawing unwanted attention from potential burglars.
Myth number 2. Criminals can hack the smart lock easily.
We use strong encryption similar to online banking. With the challenge response process, data cannot be intercepted or listened to, unlike some car key systems. All Nuki locks have been tested and certified by independent organizations with the highest security rating, so no need to worry about hackers.
Myth number 3. You need a smartphone to use a smart lock.
While a smartphone is required for setting up a Nuki smart lock, you don't need it to unlock your door. If you prefer not to use one, there are other ways that you can unlock your door. One option is the Nuki keypad. Either use a 6-digit code or your fingerprint to unlock your door. We also have the Nuki fob, a mini remote control. It's perfect for kids and the elderly, for example. And of course, you always have your physical key. These are the options that let you unlock your door even if your smartphone isn't available or the battery is dead.
Myth number 4. Replacing the cylinder is too complicated.
Check to see if your door cylinder has an emergency function, which allows it to be unlocked even with the key on the other side. If you do have an emergency function, you will not need to replace the cylinder. The Smart Lock Go and the Smart Lock Pro mount directly onto your key from the inside of your door. No drilling or tools are needed. If you don't have an emergency function on your door, go with the Smart Lock Ultra. It includes a universal cylinder. The Nuki app walks you through the installation process step by step, and the whole process takes under 15 minutes.
Myth number 5. A Wi-Fi connection is required and my data ends up in the cloud.
You might wonder whether a smart lock needs Wi-Fi. It doesn't. Our locks use Bluetooth, so authorized devices connect directly, even if your internet is down. However, remote access does require an active Wi-Fi connection. You don't need a user account. We don't store any user data on our servers. Everything stays local on your devices. A smart lock simplifies daily life. Installed on the inside of your door, it uses trusted encryption and offers multiple unlocking options, keeping access secure and flexible while you stay in control of your door and your data. Still have questions? Let us know in the comments below.